The number of iPods sold by Apple each year from 2004 through 2007 can be approximated by this formula right here. It's a quadratic in millions of iPods where t equals 0 represents 2004. Lots going on here. So I know that this is a parabola, and when graphed it's going to look like this. What I don't know is where things change, and that's going to help me understand A and B. All right. A is asking where it's increasing or decreasing. Well, I don't know where it's increasing. I don't know where the vertex is. I could find it, but I'm going to use calculus to do it instead. If I want to know if it's increasing or decreasing, I can just find the slope and see if the slope is negative or positive. Now, how do I use calculus to find the slope? Take the derivative. F prime of t is going to give us the slope, okay, at any given t. So when I take the derivative, this is just power rule, the derivative of negative t squared is negative 2t. The derivative of 20t is plus 20, and then plus 3 does nothing for me. Now I care about 2006. Does that mean I plug in 2006? No, 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 no. 0 is 2004. So 2006 implies that t is going to equal 0 because t equals 2 because it's 2 years later. So I'm going to find f prime of 2. F prime of 2 is going to be negative 2 times positive 2 plus 20. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, and negative 4 plus 20 is positive 16. The key word there being positive. And what this means is since I have a positive slope, remember derivative gives us slope, since I have a positive slope, that means it is increasing at that number right there. So the answer to problem A is increasing. Okay? Fun stuff. Now B is saying, what is the average rate of change from 2004 to 2007? So I'm going to use the average rate of change formula, which is f of B minus f of A over B minus A. The frustrating thing here is I don't have any information except for the fact that I can find out what my years are. All right? 2004 is the year 0. Which means 2007 is going to be 3 years later, the year 3. Now, do I have my y values? Do I have my f of a and f of b? No, I don't. So you would be my a, you would be my b. In order to find f of a, what I'm going to do is find f of 0 by plugging it into the original function. So negative 0 in parentheses squared plus 20 times 0 plus 3 is going to be 0, 0, and 3. You get 3. So f of a is going to be 3. F of b is going to be me plugging in 3, so f of 3, and that is going to equal negative 3 squared, again I'm plugging it into the original function, plus 20 times 3 plus 3, which is going to be 9 plus, no, I'm sorry, that was a close one, negative 9, plus 60, so 51, plus 3, 54. And that's f of b. So let's plug it all in. Let's plug and chug. All right, f of b minus f of a is going to be 54 minus 3. b minus a is going to be 3 minus 0. Okay, 51 over 3, I'm pretty sure is 17. So the average rate of change is going to be 17 million. Now, where did I get that million from? I don't think Apple only sold 17 iPods per year. They probably sold a few more than that. I don't know. I don't know business, but it says up here that it's in million. So the average rate of change is going to be 17. Between 2004 and 2007, they sold 17 million iPods or iPads or whatevers per year. And yeah, that's how you do it. Fun stuff.